Hi kids! Have you ever heard your parents say, oopsie daisy? Well, today we are going to talk about a different types of daisies. Today we are going to learn about garden graphing. We'll be counting some things from the garden and showing them on the graph. And you better be counting right or you might hear your parents say, oopsie daisy. Try again. In this lesson, we will be learning about some graphs. And what are graphs? We're also going to be counting some things. We'll be learning our math counting routine, and then we'll talk about your homework assignment. Here's how we're going to do our math counting routine. First, I'm going to show you a card. I will say the number and also use the number using my fingers. Some of you know this routine as a number parade that you learn at school. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! We counted to 10. Next time, we will learn our math counting routine to 20. Planting a Rainbow by Louis Ehlert. Every year, Mom and I plant a rainbow. In the fall, we buy some bulbs and plant them in the ground. We order seeds from catalogs and wait all winter long for spring to warm up the soil and sprout the bulbs. Then it's time to go to the garden center to select some seedlings. We sow the seeds and set out the plants in the soil and watch the rainbow grow and grow and grow. We have some red flowers and orange flowers and some yellow blooms. We grow something green and some blue flowers and some purple flowers too. All summer long, we pick them and bring them home. And when summer is over, we know we can grow our rainbow again next year. What kind of flowers did you see in this book? I saw some tulips and roses, tiger lilies, daisies, daffodils. I saw some ferns, cornflowers, morning glories, and some pretty violets and irises. Today, we're going to do some flower graphing. Let's talk about what is a graph. Graphs are a drawing that show mathematical information with lines, shapes, and colors. Graphs are also known as charts. People use graphs to compare amount of things or numbers. We are going to count flowers in the book and then show how many flowers by color in that many boxes. Then we can see how many flowers did you plant in the garden and which flowers grew the most. So let's go to our page where we start talking about different flowers. The first one is red flowers. We're going to count the flowers in our book and then color that many boxes on our graph. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 flowers. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes on my graph or squares. Next page, we see some orange flowers. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 4 orange flowers. So I'm going to color 4 squares on my graph. I'm going to go to orange flowers on my graph and then go up as I color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to next page. I see some yellow flowers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, when you count your flowers or anything, you need to touch each object as you count so you don't miss anything. I have 6 yellow flowers. On my graph, I'm going to color 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count how many ferns on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to color 6 boxes on my graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count some blue flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to color 7 boxes on my graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last page in our book has purple flowers. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 purple flowers in the garden. I'm going to color 7 boxes on my graph. I'm going to the purple flowers. Remember, you want to make sure you go to the right place. I'm going to color 7 squares. Let's look at our graph and see how many flowers did she planted and which flowers grew the most. When I look at my graph, I can see she had some orange, some red, some yellow and green, but the most flowers were blue or purple. If I look at my graph, it's really easy to see. It's the tallest graphs, right? They're the tallest one. Purple and blue flowers were the most that grew in her garden. Let's talk about your homework assignment. Your job is going to count fruits and vegetables in the garden and then color the number of the boxes on the graph. You can download the worksheet from the description below. You are going to count fruit and vegetables and then color that many boxes on your graph. And in the end of the assignment, you can tell which fruits and vegetables grew the most. Then go ahead, take a picture or scan it and send it to my email at annetkaacademy@gmail.com. The email is in the description below as well. If you like this video, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and come back for our next video about plant parts. And have a lovely day.